The fourth law of Stoic living is to live in accordance with nature. This principle emphasizes understanding the natural order of the world and our place within it. Epictetus and Marcus Aurelius, two prominent Stoic philosophers, taught that living in harmony with nature means recognizing and accepting the fundamental aspects of life, including its inherent cycles and the interconnectedness of all things. By aligning our lives with these natural laws, we can achieve greater peace and contentment. This approach involves embracing simplicity, accepting change, and striving to fulfill our natural roles and responsibilities.